In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Xero and get started on your journey towards easier financial management. First things first, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to Xero's website by typing in xero.com. Once you're there, you should see an option labeled Try Xero for free right on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to exploring all the features Xero has to offer without any financial commitments right off the bat. Now, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. Fill in your name, email address, and phone number. Remember to double-check these details for any typos, as they'll be crucial for accessing and securing your account. Once you've submitted those details, it's time to verify your email. Head over to your email inbox and look for a message from Xero. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so don't worry if it's not immediate. Once you find the email, click on the verification link included in it. This will authenticate your email address and lead you to the next important step, setting up a password. Choose something secure yet memorable, as this will protect your account and all sensitive information contained within it. After successfully verifying your email and setting your password, your account will be activated, bringing you to one of the exciting stages, adding your business details. This is a fairly straightforward process, but it's important to be as accurate as possible. You'll start by entering your business name. This is the name that will appear on invoices and other documentation, so make sure it reflects your brand appropriately. Next, select the industry that best represents the sector your business operates in. This helps Xero tailor its features to suit your specific business needs. So take a moment to find the right category. Then, you'll enter the financial year-end for your business. This date will help Xero keep track of your annual financial performance and align your reports accordingly. Don't worry if you're unsure. This date is typically the end of the month in which your accounting year comes to a close. Once all that information is filled out, you're all set to begin exploring Xero's offerings. You'll be on a 30-day free trial, giving you ample time to familiarize yourself with the platform and see how it can assist in streamlining your accounting processes. It's a fantastic opportunity to play around with the features and get comfortable with how everything works before committing to a subscription. And there you have it. You're now ready to take advantage of Xero's robust financial management platform. Enjoy using Xero and make the most of the tools it offers to enhance your business operations.